Hi everyone, I'm Nancy Regan. I'm in Key Largo, Florida, and it is the perfect place to talk about how you know a preventive maintenance task is the right thing to do and how often you should do it. In the context of reliability-centered maintenance, a preventive maintenance task is either a scheduled restoration or a scheduled replacement. To talk about preventive maintenance, let's take a simple example and let's consider my 2014 Subaru Forester's engine oil. I have my oil changed every 7,500 miles because I know that after about 7,500 miles, the properties start to break down and won't be able to lubricate my engine components properly. Now let's look at this by considering a failure pattern. When it comes to preventive maintenance, we're taking into consideration this failure pattern. The x-axis is age, and that can be considered in any number of units. It could be operating hours or miles or cycles. And the y-axis is the conditional probability of failure. I know that when I have my oil changed, a certain amount of time will go by where the oil is just fine, but it will reach a particular age, right about here, where if I don't have the oil changed, its properties start to break down. The probability that it will start to deteriorate starts to drastically increase. In the context of reliability-centered maintenance, this is called the useful life. So if I do know that at a certain age, the probability of failure is going to start to drastically increase, then I do a scheduled replacement at that time. I'm Nancy Regan. Thank you for watching.